Intro screens can be used to display relevant information to the user before they enter the core of the app. You could use an intro screen to show a nice welcome page for users that visit your app for the first time. Maybe even with a cool Lottie animation using Bravo's Lottie tag. Other ideas would be a tutorial or walkthrough that allow your users to get started more easily. You could even display release notes or news around your app. Lastly, you could include a form that users have to fill out. You could either use this to create user accounts or for anonymous research. Enough with the examples, let's have a look at the intro tag. There are two different kinds of intro tag that you can use, either always or once. What's the difference between those? If you go with the option always, the intro screen will be displayed to your user every time they open the app. Once, on the other hand, displays the intro screen only the first time the user opens the app. With this, the intro screen will only be shown again if the user removes the app and then installs it again. Just like any other Bravo tag, you have to insert it inside of your Figma or Adobe XD design file. You can find and copy the tag from the Bravo tags master list. I've linked it for you in the description below. As I explained earlier, there are two types, so make sure that you copy the correct one. The intro tag belongs in a top-level frame. So in my example, this is the screen that I want to display as an intro screen. So I'm going to select it, and then in the top-level frame, I'm going to paste the tag. Remember that the top-level frame is the highest possible frame. That is the frame that outlines the whole screen, so it's not one of the frames where you have the container tag, for example. I'm going to paste it here behind the name that I gave the screen, and this should already work inside of Bravo Vision. In Bravo Vision, the intro screen will be shown first too, even every time after you've refreshed the app. To allow the user to close the intro again, select an element and apply the tag Action Close Intro. When the user now presses the element with that tag, the intro screen is closed with a slide down animation. This animation automatically reveals the home screen, so the screen with the flow number 1. That is why it's important that you don't link this element using the prototyping tool. Another note, the Action Close Intro tag does not work in a top-level frame. That means that you have to give the tag to an element inside of a top-level frame. For example, an icon with an X. Let's imagine you want to display multiple pages before the user enters your app. Let's have a look at this example that I already used in my Introduction to Bravo Rising video. Here we want to display 3 different pictures and texts to the user before they enter the home screen. In this case, only the first one will receive the intro tag. Instead of using the close tag on page number 1, we're going to link page number 1 to page number 2 and page number 2 to page number 3. Then, only in page number 3, we're going to use the Action Close Intro tag. So page number 1 has the intro tag. This is going to be displayed the first time the user opens the app. Then, on pressing the chevron, we want to go to page number 2. The same thing on page number 2 with page number 3. Notice how page number 2 and page number 3 don't have the intro tag. Page number 3 now does not have a chevron to go to the next page, because this is going to be the last page. On this button, we're going to add the Action Close Intro tag. Finally, let's have a look at the priority of the different pages in a Bravo project. As you might know, the login page is displayed before the home screen too. But as you can see in this diagram, the intro page is prioritized before the login screen. This means when the user opens the app the first time, they see the intro screen. When they close the intro screen, they see the login screen. And only when they log in, they see the home screen. If you don't have a login screen, it's simple. First the intro screen, and when the intro screen is closed, then the home screen is displayed. I really hope this quick video has helped you. Let me know in the comments how you are using the intro tag. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for a new episode of Build It with Jonas every other Tuesday. Bye.